Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, modems, patch panels and other networking applications. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Conductor, QTY. 4 twisted pair, 24 Aruban fluorines, stranded bare copper. Wiring scheme, TSB 568B, AT&T 258A. Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL, cable modems and patch panels. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. Each of the individual pairs is bonded together to help maintain the twist spacing throughout the line right up to the termination point. Constructed from high-quality copper cable, this design minimizes near-end crosstalk, next, levels. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. Available in a variety of colors to easily color code your network installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable, beware of bait switch. I own an IT company and we use this style cables to go cables because of the unique snagless end they have. The conventional snagless ends are often very difficult to get in and out. When you get these in your hand, the first reaction is, that little soft tab cover seems like it could slide off the side and let the tab snag and break. In normal use that doesn't happen. However, it is precisely that feature that allows them to clip in and out as easily as cables that are not snagless. Thus, our experience is exactly the opposite of the video review below. Beware of vendors like Margin Mart, Inc., who did a bait switch on me and sent me some no-name brand with conventional snagless ends on them.